To turn on always on display on Poco X7 Pro, start by opening settings. Now you will have to start scrolling for personalization and just go into always on display. You have to click on the switcher to turn it on, and now it will actually stay 10 seconds after tapping. But I just find a way how to actually bypass this limit. So now take a look. I'm gonna lock the phone and I don't even have to press on the lock screen. As you can see, it's turned on automatically and it will stay more than 10 seconds. And if you wonder how we can actually do this, I'm gonna put link into the description under this video just to show you step by step how to do this, because it will be a longer video than this one, because right here you just go to the always in display, click on the switcher and it's finished. So if you want to get it more than 10 seconds, like in my case, be sure to check the link. It will be pinned into the first comment under this video. Now please leave a like.